Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you have not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments, and also, guys, follow the Telegram channel. Guys, follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop an update, instantly you will get the update and you will not miss out on any single update. The link to the Telegram channel will be in the comment section. So guys, and also subscribe to this channel if you've not done that yet. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So that right, let's take a look at what market will be giving us for the day on our GBP JPY. Let's start with our trend. First and first, before we take a trade, we need to know what the trend is. And as you can clearly see, our trend on GBPJPY is on an uptrend. This is it here. We are in an uptrend move. Market is giving us a series of higher high and higher low, right? Now take a look at this moment here. Market was able to push up to form a new high. Here is our higher low. Market push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market then push up one more time to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market then push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, we in the long run we will be expecting market to push up to it to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So in the long run, we would be anticipating for a bullish move that should take out this high, previous high, thereby forming a new higher high for us. So GBPJPY in the long run will be a bullish move. But for right now, if you take a look at it, GBPJPY is dropping. Now this is it here. It is dropping because this is a rejection zone here. Market is dropping, right? So we will be expecting it to drop to a level of 211. But this is the level we should expect GBPJPY to drop to a level of 211,250. So expect it to drop to a level of 211,250. Once market drops to a level of 211,250, I'm going to give you guys an update on what next you should be expecting because market will most likely going to reject and push up again. So more updates will be covered for you guys on GBPJPY. All you just need to do is click on that subscribe button. So the next update, you will not miss out on the next update.